I saw the time I fell in love in each other's arms. I opened my eyes and you were gone. Suddenly I realized how I love you so, and how I can't survive without your love. 'Cause every time we say goodbye, it's hard for me to say how I wish you'd never go away. Don't say goodbye, it's hard to let you go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know that you and I will always be in love forevermore. Don't leave me with just memories all alone. All alone. Day I read your lips and waited for your call. I wondered if you'd think of me at all. Again I turned the radio on and heard our favorite song. And then I knew you'd soon be coming home. Don't say goodbye, it's hard to let you go. Tomorrow